Hi guys, welcome to my channel Roots for Software Engineering. In this video, I will cover about useState with array. Okay. Now let me take our file into VS Code. Okay. Now here, previously we covered about number, boolean as well as string. Then today I will cover about array. Okay. Now how to take it? Look at here. Okay. I will take as array use state. Okay, now array use state dot jsx. Okay, now I need to create a one function, right? Then how to take it? Import react from react library. Next, later on I will take it as one function keyword followed with the function name. I will take function name as array use state. Array what is it? Use state parenthesis, and instead I will follow one return statement. This is the as usual process. Okay, and we need to follow one element, and element content is welcome to. Okay, use state with array. Okay, next we need to export this one, right? How to export it? By using export keyword followed with the default statement. Okay, and function name, sorry, component name is nothing but the use state. Component name is the array use state. Okay, exporting is done. Then import into app.jsx by using import keyword, and next array use state from the component, and call your component by using array use state. Okay, now whether it is giving output or not, let me check here with command prompt. Okay, now in the command prompt, go with your cd. Okay, and after cd we need to go with the project name and npm run div enter. Okay, now it's created one local url for us. Okay, and void enter, then it will redirect to the browser. Okay, now it is giving output, it is giving our output. Then we'll go with your logic for this one. Okay, how to take logic? Look at here, this one, right? I think here h missed. Okay, go with h with this key because it is not working, right? Okay, then we'll do here logic. How to do logic? Use state. Okay, now use state, then importing is done. Inside go with one array. Okay, now array I will take values as. Okay, now go with again single quote. Okay, now value I will consider, just copy this one because I need to take again. Okay, now go with value as fruit names. Okay, now just simply I am giving apple, and go with here. Okay, now banana, simply I am giving. Okay, next later on then take it as mango. Okay, now go with as mango. This is what is it? Array. Okay, now let me give again value. Okay, now mango. Okay, and next it will return one array, right? Then utilize here with two values. One is state and second one is set state. Okay, now state will upload the value, right? Now here array values we can upload it, or we can take the array values from the array by using map method, right? Map method will use to read each and everything. So first data we need to grab by using flower base, and it is expecting one parent, so to go with one parent to call it as fragment. Then fragment is empty fragments. Okay, empty fragments, and wrap it and do the logic. Okay, now what is the logic? State is our variable name, and state having array. Then go with your map function. Okay, now take your map function, and inside the map then go with your one callback function, and I will take callback function first to read the values, second one to read the index number. Okay, next take parenthesis, not the flower base. Okay, again I am telling not the flower base, go with the parenthesis. This is a syntax in React. and instead I will do the logic. Then do one thing, go with this as an order list. Then this is better to do our logic, right? Go with the parent as nodal list and take child as list. Okay, now in the list, then we need to wrap statements, right? Then wrap here. Okay, now already we readed value, then take as value. Okay, and index number we need to pass to the key, because unique number it will expand. So unique numbers is index numbers, right? Then again observe output on browser. Now it is giving data. It is giving data line by line. Now here new data I need to add. New data I need to add after pressing one button. After pressing one button, and take button name as submit. Okay, and do the logic here. Do the logic to update the data. Okay, now I will take one arrow function with one. Okay, function means variable name, and we are storing inside the variable name one arrow function, and take to update this array by using setState. Okay, now take a setState function. Inside the setState function, now these all the values we have inside the array, and we need to read each and everything individually. So I will go with your statement, call it as spread operator. Okay, spread operator, state variable name, comma, I will add the new values. Okay, I will add the new values here. Okay, now what is the new values? Just I will give simple data. Okay, new fruit added. New fruit added I will give. Actually we need to follow the names, but here I am not doing dynamic data, so simply I am giving one data as new fruit added. Okay, and we need to call here function, right? Then call function as onClick event handler, and for the onClick event handler take it as demo. Take it as demo. Okay, and again execute here. Okay, now whenever I'm going with submit button, I think it is showing error, right? Once check it here. What is the error it is giving? Okay, state dot map is not a function, like that it is giving. Means where we given mistake, once checking. Okay, now it is array. It is array. This is array, right? Now this one is array. So we need to do logic with array only, right? Then without array it will not give. Then go with your array symbol with the statement. Okay, now again check it output whether it is, yes, it is giving perfectly. Then go with your submit button. Now one new fruit is added. Then again press new fruit is added. Okay, now dynamic data is not possible now. That's what I given one name as new fruit added. Okay, now this is a logic for useState with the array concept. useState with the array concept. Okay, in next video I will tell about object. Okay, now thank you guys. Bye bye.